Okay guys, so ito na yung video ni Marcus din. At ako. Sinabi niya maglaro daw ng Granny.
Oo.
Tapos iti-troll natin si Granny, di ba?
Kami ang sabi kami ng ay kasi yung maliit ate niya. Pangit. Mukha lang Japan. Mukha lang sa Japan.
Okay na guys. Ano yun? Okay na guys, so let's check Granny.
May katas. Ikalabas ka. May labas. Pasok. Sa sigaan namin. Ayun gagawin namin guys.
Yes. Wait lang. Hindi bumalik si Granny. Wait lang. Ay lang.
Yun siya.
Finally guys, nandito na si Granny. Tak 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 tak. So, iaano natin. Ha? Okay, si Marcos naman.
Yes. But my real name is not Marcos, okay? And it's not his. And don't want to tell his real name.
Nobody.
Antayin mo lang bago siya
No
pupunta.
one suspects. Drop.
Mamaya, mga papictures pa.
Mukha lang. Uy. Wag! Antay ka muna. Antayin mo muna siya. Guys. 3, 2.
Okay. So, mas mahirap na pala to kesa sa'yo. So,
Kasi nagawa namin sa Christmas eh. Hindi namin na video.
oo guys. So, okay.
I'm your babe. Bye-bye. I'm just going to a camping trip. And then we will leave
Ayoko
at
na
the
mag-camping,
afternoon. We will leave at the afternoon. We
Bukas pa yun eh.
Ay, yeah!
Kasi mag-swimming nga tayo, tapos dito nga tayo matutulog. Sabi daw ni Mami.
Let's try it again.
And then, when I drop this,
Hindi, labas mo muna kasi. Diba alam mo, lalabas ka lang dyan?
hindi,
Diba?
ganyan talaga yan.
Ikataas ka? Kabago siya. Hindi, kitain mo na muna siya. Ikaw, bago siya, jump
Quiet! Granny stare.
Okay. Utot mo.
Go, 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 go. Okay, so wait lang guys. Hindi namin i-resume. Pag day 1 ulit, ilalagay namin ng Christmas tapos sasampalin namin agad yun. Wait lang guys.
Pag ako, ano na to?
Itanggal mo nga tapos ilagay mo ng Christmas.
Wag. Ito lang. Last day lang. This is the last day. Hindi mo ko papaluin, Granny, ah.
Ayusin ko yung pilo mo. Ayusin yung pilo.
Bago siya jump scare. Uy, alam ko ba? Bago siya jump scare, tatayo ako, ikalalabas, ay gagawin ko. Drop ulit natin. 3, 2, tago muna tayo. Alam ko ano gagawin ko. Gagawin ko yata. Yes! Yes! Pipilo. Pipilo. 4 minutes into the video na
Tapos
tayo.
ibigay mo sa akin. Okay na, baka okay na yan.
Uy. Wow! Ikis ko si Granny.
Pangit-pangit kaya ni Granny.
Uy, kalbo din siya sa buhok. We don't don't care.
We don't care. Ano ba pake namin?
Uy, ibaan mo ababa doon.
Hmm.
Yung sa lalim ng clock. Yung sa bababa ka. Diba?
Oh.
Bakit may... Yan na gagawin natin. Pwede natin. Ay, pwede pala na. Shotgun.
Let's get down to the basement.
Yes.
That's your feet. Yan
But
yan.
we don't know yet that where is the ammo.
Yeah. Nandun lang yung amo. And then guys, and I think we're just
Can you get the phone? Ayan phone. Oo, basag. Iyak yan si Tita Yam.
and I hope we are in the garage.
Oh, come here.
I need to actually go to the garage, guys.
We have to crouch here.
Yes, we have to crouch.
Then there's a tunnel. You can hide under tables, but you have a bed to do that glitch. Please like and subscribe. I just have 30 seconds.
Saan ka ba? Saan yung head mo?
I just got 33 subscribers. Please subscribe.
Yep. Please subscribe to him, guys.
What this is gonna do.
I'm so sorry. And we need to go to the garage. Why cannot this make any faster?
Yes. It was you have to escape, bro. What are you doing?
I'm trying to find, you know. Wait, I think something. I hope. Oh.
You can hide there.
And another piece of.
Let's picture that. I will picture it again. We know where is our everything are.
Tired of food scraps clogging your sink? This clip-on strainer fixes that instantly.
Again, there you go. It's not me, I am a boy.
Cover speech.
Mama, ani, uy.
Senior ba yan?
What if a pilot natin is like running?
Yeah.
Kaya,
When I feel so sad and lonely, when my life seems stale and
Almost died.
how I wish you're here beside me, here to stay my whole life with you. You're the only one to hear me, who can make my dreams come true. Got my darling and embrace me, that is what you're gonna do. Kiss me in the morning, kiss me in the night, kiss me in the daytime, kiss me all the time. Hold me, darling, hold me real tight. Kiss me, hold me, darling, you know you're mine.
Why is there a hanging?
Kiss me in the morning. Kiss me in the night. Kiss me in the daytime. Kiss me all the time. Hold me, darling. Hold me real time. Kiss me, hold me, darling. You know you're
But
mine.
no,
Yes, ikaw na.
Granny might be angry.
nothing.
When I feel so sad and lonely, when my life seems pale and blue, how I wish you're here beside me, here to stay my whole life through. You're the only one, believe me, who can make my dreams come true. Got my darling and embrace me, this is what you're gonna do. Kiss me in the morning. Kiss me in the night. Kiss me
so weird.
Yeah. Let me in.
Yes, sir.
My mom.
So wait. So bye guys